everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to color coordinate your tracks in Logic. So if you're having trouble with this, I've got the solution. So the first thing you want to do is open up a session and go to the audio file. You want to scroll over to where it says the audio and you want to double click. You want to scroll all the way down until I've lost it now. Oh, there you go, assign track color. Now from here you want to pick a color that's bright and easy to see, just so then you're not getting lost and you know what it is. So for this example, we're going to go with yellow. So once you click yellow, you can now click off. And you've probably realized by now that it's only yellow in the channel. And this could be a bit frustrating because you can see it, but it's not in your face. You know, you can't distinguish exactly what you're clicking. So the best way to deal with this is to highlight the actual audio itself, go down to name and color regions, and bam, everything changes to the same color, so it makes your audio stand out and easy to see. So this could be my verse. Let's say audio 14 was my chorus. I could go select the color, green, select the audio. Oh, I don't know what's happened there. Okay, let me try like, oh, okay, cool, it's just on mute. So there we go, everything is super distinguishable, easy to see, and this will just boss up your sessions. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment down below for more ideas, and yeah, if you need any more tutorials, look on my channel, have tons of videos. I can leave a couple links. Anyway, thank you.